This week's discussion is going to be about controlling microbial growth. Why should we do that? And what are the different methods that we use to accomplish this? So, why should we control microbial growth? We should do this to reduce the incidence of human interaction with harmful pathogens. So, an example that we commonly see and use is the pasteurization of milk and other food products. And then also, we use the heating of beer and wine to decrease the spoilage. So, the different bacteria that spoil beer and wine, but also keep the taste and efficacy of those products, but it removes the harmful bacteria from those products. So the various techniques that we use are included as sterilization, disinfection, antisepsis, and sanitation. And I'm going to break those down here in a simple but logical way. So sterilization is the destruction of all microorganisms and viruses on or in an object. Examples to be included are scalpels, and or needles, because they are penetrating the body's natural barrier to all these microorganisms. So we want to prevent any introduction of those microorganisms to our body during like surgical procedures or injections. And then we also look at the removal of pathogens via incineration. So if a animal such as a cow passes away and the microbiologist and scientists determine that it was mad cow disease, the only way to get rid of that is through incineration. Disinfection is the inhibition or destruction of microorganisms, not always all of them, but it can inhibit, but it doesn't inhibit any endospores. This treats inanimate objects, examples tables, doorknobs, TV remotes, bed sheets after being sick. So as a disinfectant tool, we can use steam or concentrated bleach, whereas in antisepsis, that is more so something for living tissue. So the reduction of microorganisms, particularly pathogens, viruses on living tissue. So the use of iodine or alcohol as prep for injections, or chlorhexidine scrub prior to surgical procedures. And then sanitation more looks at the removal of pathogens to meet public health standards. So washing tableware in scalding hot water and scrubbing toilets with chemicals.